Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the another video. And iOS 26.4 beta 4 is out. As you can see, the update size is around almost 12 gigs coming from the beta 3. It's huge, obviously, on this iPhone 16. In this video, I'm going to talk about should you install this update or should you ignore this update. If you are looking for what is new, or what is new video will also come after this video, but in this video I'm going to talk about should you install or not. So let's begin the video. Again, the update size is huge, as you can see, and if you want to install this update, it's a developer beta and you can install this update. For that, you need to get into settings, you need to get to general and get to the software over here, and make sure you have selected developer beta from here, and you will see the update. And the biggest question is, should you install this update or not? Well, before talking about that, I want to talk about how the iOS 26.4 is going on so far. Well, if I talk about how it is going on so far, battery life is going, well, decent. If I share the battery life of this device, let the battery starts load. As you can see, today I use around 87% of my device, and for the 87%, I got 6 hours and 5 minutes screen time, which is really good. And the other day I used around 98%, as you can see, and for the 98% I got more than 8 hours, actually 8 hours and 30 minutes, which is insane. Now during this time I was active on different applications like Instagram, TikTok, Tabman, and more stuff. If I go to any other day, over here I use 75%, as you can see, and for the 75% I got 6 hours and 35 minutes screen time, and the applications are pretty much almost same. Well, if I calculate the battery life of iOS 26.4, battery life is good. It is decent. Definitely, it is not the best. I personally believe iOS 26.3 betas were giving me a better battery life. This is also a good update, but it is not as good as the 26.3 betas were. So from the beta 4 of iOS 26.4, I am expecting a better battery life. Definitely, a 24-hour review video will come out tomorrow after I will test out everything and how the update is going on. Other than that, performance is already really good. It is buttery smooth, working really fine already. And definitely it is beta 3, so this is I'm expecting same from the beta 4, that that update will be good. And one thing that I want to see is, I also talk about this in my one of the previous video, that scores are not good with the beta 3. I'm disappointed with the scores. So I am expecting better scores with the beta 4. So this is what I'm expecting. So far, this is all from this video. iOS 26.4 beta 4 is out. I am definitely going to install this update. I need to delete some data. I don't have enough storage to install this update, which is, the problem with 128 gig devices anyways. So definitely I'm going to install this update right after this video, and whatever there will be new, definitely I will be sharing that in the upcoming video. So yeah, again, 26.4 beta 4 is out. If you are using beta 3, developer beta 3, go and install this update. It is going to be a good update. But if you are using public beta 2 that came last week, I will not suggest you to install this update. Like, public beta 2 came last week, as you can see. This is a public beta 2 update. But for now, public beta 3 is not out. Maybe it will come out this week. But if you want to, if you are on already developer beta, you can install this update. But if you are on public beta, I will suggest you to ignore this update. Well, that's all from this video, and I hope to get you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.